Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation. What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here, and today we have got the real altcoin party begins in 2021. So for those of you who thought that alt season is just 2020, think again, because this article thus far is saying that 2020 has been the year of altcoins. Yes, not Bitcoin. Which altcoin is the year's biggest star may be arguable, but it's quite clear that the alternative digital currencies have beat out the first ever crypto made by a wide margin. Although altcoins have vastly outperformed Bitcoin so far this year, one crypto analyst claimed that the real altcoin party doesn't start until early next year. Will 2021 be the real year for altcoins to shine? All throughout the world of finance, Bitcoin is being locked as the best performing asset of the year, thus by far. And in mainstream finance, this is true. Bitcoin has outperformed the stock market this year, gold, oil, and nearly every other asset out there on the face of the planet. However, crypto market insiders know that Bitcoin's 60% return of investment this year is nothing compared to several other altcoins. For example, Chainlink is up 750% just this year alone. That is insane. The top altcoin, Ethereum, is up 200% year to date, more than tripling Bitcoin's returns. In fact, Ethereum beats out just about any other investment made with a $1,200 stimulus check if held through now. So even the total altcoin market cap as a whole is up well over 125% for the year, led by seemingly unstoppable DeFi trends. Buying nearly any altcoin on Coinbase in this month would have resulted in a 50% or more return on average. But even with so much wealth generated, could the real altcoin party still be far way off? That is the question of the day. So according to one trader analyzing the charts on top of altcoins, Ethereum and XRP, the altcoin party won't be starting until the beginning of next year. 3.5 years later, the analyst says that both the number 2 and number 3 ranked cryptocurrencies are exhibiting similar flip of resistance into support. This high time frame resistance should be tested as support in the next few months, according to the analyst chart. Assets often come back to resist resistance to confirm it as support before moving higher. This tells market participants that prices won't be moving lower and encourages more ferocious buying on the way back up. This is exactly what analysts expect to take place towards the end of 2020, causing the top altcoin assets to cool off for some time after such a powerful recovery rally. Once support is confirmed, however, these altcoins are ready and primed to pump and could see a repeat of the 2017-like returns in cryptocurrencies continue to follow Bitcoin's 4-year cycle. In 2021, they could also act as the next top 4 crypto, with Bitcoin reaching prices projected to be as high as $325,000 per BTC. If the altcoins are poised to outperform Bitcoin at that price, and the asset is projected to rally to the heights like that, owning altcoins could be the fastest track to financial freedom. This is an epic article, so Have you ever thought that if next year Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high, $100,000 or even up to $325,000 per BTC, where do you think all of these little alternative coins could be? Because that is an amazing question. Ethereum could be sitting at 10k to 20k. Some are calling out for a $30,000 Ethereum. That will be amazing. Right now it is sitting at $400. XRP could hit $20 to $35. Bcash, you're looking at 15,000, 10 to 15k per Bcash, just from being dragged up by Bitcoin along with it. Chainlink already up 720%. Some are calling up to $1,000 per Chainlink. That will be insane. Litecoin, everybody knows every time Bitcoin goes up, Litecoin follows it. Last time Bitcoin was sitting at $19,500, Litecoin was sitting at $375 pretty much. It went as high as almost hitting $400 per Litecoin. So it can easily be sitting at the $1,400 to the $2,000 range if BTC hits 100k and above. Cardano, with all of their projects coming up, is still up high, amazing returns. If you picked up Cardano at 2 cents back in March on Black Thursday, your 2 cents is sitting at 12 cents right now. You would have made amazing returns. So yeah, where do you see the prices of altcoins if Bitcoin hits new all-time high next year? And do you think alt season is over, as it seems the coins are just retracing to stabilize and gear up for new all-time highs? Next article we have got, the Bitcoin rich list is still increasing, as now there is more than 2,000 addresses holding over 1,000 Bitcoin, potentially reflecting increased interest from institutions and high net worth investors. So this is slowly slipping out of the hands of the small guys like you and me, and institutions are fighting to get 1,000 Bitcoin in their wallets to hold on for dear life, as this asset is becoming more and more scarce. The total amount of Bitcoin held in accounts of 1,000 or more BTC in their addresses was 7,868,823 as of press time, and that is equivalent to about 92 billion. It is well on its way to be $100 billion worth of BTC held in these wallets, and none of them is sitting at any exchange as we speak. That should tell you an incredible message about how scarce this asset class is. Lastly, we have got Bitcoin is now even harder to mine. The mining difficulties has struck an all-time high, but while some celebrate the milestone metrics, retail miners could be in trouble. So mining Bitcoin even is getting harder and harder to do. Like I said, this next 10 years will determine the fate of BTC as an hard asset class and quantitative hardening. And on that click, if you like the content, please don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe for some daily crypto updates. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.